Hello everyone. Today let us learn about PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. So polymerase chain reaction. So coming to the definition. Polymerase chain reaction is a method widely used to rapidly make millions to billions of copies of specific DNA sample, allowing scientists to take a very small sample of DNA and amplify it to a large enough amount to study in detail. So let us see the structure of DNA. Here you can see adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. These are the purines and pyrimidines, and these are the backbones. Here you can see the PCR components, where the red color you can see is the DNA sample, and these are the primers, and these are the nucleotides, and this is the Taq polymerase, and this is the buffer and PCR tube. There are three steps involved in polymerase chain reaction process. In the first step involves the denaturation of the DNA, where the two strands will be separated by denaturation. And the second step involves the annealing. And the third step involves the extension of the DNA sequence. The first step, that is the denaturation step, involves the treatment of DNA with 95 degrees centigrade. And the second step, that is annealing, that requires the temperature of 55 degrees centigrade, and the extension process, that is the synthesis of a new strand, requires the temperature of 72 degree centigrade. This is the cycle of polymerase chain reaction. So coming to the first step, that is denaturation process, which involves the treatment of DNA with 95 degree centigrade. Here you can see the DNA template strand, and these two are the parental strand. These are the DNA primers, and this is the Taq DNA polymerase. Here you can see the cycle involving, that's the first step is the denaturation. The second step is the annealing, that involves the treatment of DNA with 55 degree centigrade. Here you can see Taq polymerase, and these are the primers and the synthesis of new DNA strands. Here in this pic you can see the DNA strand where it gets denaturated and the two strands get separated. And the second step involves the use of primers, and with the help of primers the annealing takes place. And the third step involves the replication, that is the synthesis of the new DNA strands. These are the new DNA strands obtained. So polymerase chain reaction, here you can see the original DNA to be replicated, and these are the primers and these are the nucleotides. So we all know that the one strand of the DNA runs in 5' to 3' direction, and the other strand of the DNA always runs in 3' to 5' direction. That is, the two strands are always anti-parallel to each other. Here you can see the addition of primers. The first step denaturation, the second step annealing, and the third step is the elongation process. Here you can see the newly synthesized DNA strands. Polymerase chain reaction is a three-step process that is carried out in a repeated cycles. The initial step is the denaturation or the separation of the two strands of the DNA molecule. This is accomplished by heating, that is the starting material, to temperatures of about 95 degrees centigrade or 203 degree Fahrenheit. Each strand is a template on which a new strand is built. Polymerase chain reaction is a technology used for quick and easy amplifying DNA sequences, which is based on the principle of enzymatic replication of nucleic acids. This method has the field of molecular biology an irrepressible role and constitutes one of the basic methods for DNA analysis. Coming to the uses of polymerase chain reaction. The use of polymerase chain reaction in infectious disease diagnosis has resulted in the ability to diagnose early and treat appropriate diseases due to fastidious pathogens determine the antimicrobial susceptibility of slow-growing microorganisms. The polymerase chain reaction has been elaborated in many ways since its introduction and is now commonly used for a wide variety of applications including genotyping, cloning, mutation detection, sequencing, microarrays, forensics, and paternity testing. Thank you all for watching. Images used from the website for explanation purpose belongs to the respective owners. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.